Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to insert a picture in PowerPoint. I'm showing you this on Windows Desktop. First, click on the slide where you want to add your picture. You can click on the slide thumbnail in the left sidebar. The slide you select will appear in the main editing area. Next, click the Insert tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is in the top ribbon menu. Once you click it, the Insert ribbon opens. Now, in the Images group on that Insert ribbon, click the Pictures button. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with three options: This Device, Stock Images, and Online Pictures. Click on This Device. This lets you insert a picture that's saved on your computer. When you click it, a file browser dialog box opens up. In that file browser, navigate to the folder where your picture is saved. Once you find it, click on the picture file to select it. The file name gets highlighted in the dialog box. To insert multiple pictures at once, hold down the Control key and click each picture. Once your picture is selected, click the Insert button in the bottom right corner of that dialog box. The picture appears on your slide, and a new Picture Format tab shows up in the ribbon at the top. This tab appears when your image is selected and gives you formatting options. Now that your picture is on the slide, you can drag it anywhere you want. To reposition it, just click and drag the image to move it around. To resize it, drag one of the corner handles, the little circles at the corners of the image. Always use the corner handles, not the side handles, because the corner ones keep your image proportions correct and prevent distortion. The side handles will stretch your image and make it look weird. If you need to adjust the size or position more precisely, right-click on the picture and select Format Picture from the menu. That opens a Format Picture panel on the right side of your window where you can type in exact dimensions or set specific positions. This is useful if you're trying to match sizes across multiple slides. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.